Hi, the problem is know that the sound totally disappeared from this unit on the speakers. Music, no sounds at all. But sometimes when I press the power off, then I turned the unit on. Sometimes a little bit of sound comes and then disappear. Look at power on, music, the sound come then disappear immediately. Power off, power on, look at a little bit. So this is the problem. Need your help, please.